This vision, our vision for this club, cannot fulfill just by feet. And for those who have not yet started, they will also know that it is the time for them to start, to begin. Like so many, because you got the responsibility of your field. Like so many who have extended their hand in return in their own way, just like a fellow member, mentor, and the leader of faith. Now, as a president, I work to ensure in fulfilling our goals and responsibilities once again, and especially when it comes to overall quality improvement. Again, when it comes to overall quality improvement, one of the most important things that we'll learn is to learn many things in early, with the help of fellow members, mentors, and hugely from the underutilized potential which lies here. And I'm sure that if some stranger enters into this hall, if he observes all the proceedings which are going on in this meeting, right from the start of the meeting to the end, the usual question that he might think of asking is, why all this? Why people are doing all these things? Well, the answer is very simple. It's just because this is the area where we can learn from each other. And you learn even more if you are committed. To take forward today's meeting, we have a pretty lady, and a speech crafter, Toastmaster, a very energetic Toastmaster. I have been observing her speech. I mean, she's the one fastest Toastmaster to complete a CC. She was, very recently, she was silent for 10 days. That's quite unusual for ladies. She went to Vipassana, a meditation course, where she has to observe absolute silence. And I say silence, not even a facial gesture with any of the fellow Vipassanas. So I know that she wants to speak many things because she was silent for 10 days. So please call her onto the stage to witness the MC, Ms. Mrinalini Prasad.